Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to check the Diatone Taycan C25, a foam-protected ducted micro quadcopter which is mainly intended for capturing HD footage using an onboard action camera while flying it indoors. In this video I'm going to quickly go over its features and specs, give you my feedback after testing it out, and show you some flight footage. First of all, the Taycan C25 is available in a couple of versions. The digital version comes with the CADDX VISTA digital transmission system, the analog version comes with the CADDX Baby RATEL FPV camera and a 400mW VTX, and the plug-and-play version doesn't come with the video system. In addition, all the versions are not available with an external radio receiver, so unless you are getting the digital version and you are using the DJI radio controller, you will need to connect your own radio receiver to the flight controller. In terms of packaging, the Taycan C25 comes inside this nice carrying case, and inside, along with the drone, you can find 4 extra motor protectors, 2 high-quality battery Velcro straps, 1 set of HQ Prop 2.5-inch propellers, a bag of accessories that contains a buzzer, spare screws, an anti-skid battery sticker, zip ties, and antenna tubes, molded plastic accessories for mounting an action camera on top of the drone, and in case you're getting the plug-and-play version, you're also getting an IPX to SMA antenna connector. In terms of specs, the Taycan C25 features the MAMBA 1404 5000 kV motors, which can handle up to 4S batteries. On the center of the frame, you can find a Whoop-style 25.5 by 25.5mm all-in-one F4 flight controller that features an integrated 25A BLLES 4-in-1 ESC, and in case you have the digital version, the VISTA unit is going to be mounted on top of it. In addition, the digital version is bundled with the FOXEER Lollipop LHCP antenna, and on all the versions you'll be able to mount an Immortal T antenna on the back of the frame. As for the frame, its wheelbase is 125mm and it features a squash tips pattern, so the propellers and frame are not going to appear in your FPV feed. It features very durable and robust motor protectors, and the thickness of the carbon fiber parts is 1.5mm. In addition, the weight of the Taycan C25, including a Crossfire Nano SE receiver, is about 209 grams, and including a GNB 1100 mAh 4S LHV battery, the total weight is about 300 grams. Unfortunately, due to time constraints, I have to keep this video very short, so I'm just going to jump to my conclusions and then show you some flight footage. First of all, in my opinion, the main purpose of the Taycan C25 is to serve as a platform for capturing HD footage indoors using an action camera, thanks to its propeller guards and foam bumpers. In addition, I also think that it can serve as a trainer for beginners who'd like to practice flying. Keep in mind though that the acrobatic performance of the C25 is very limited, however you can improve it by removing the foam bumpers. As for capturing HD footage, which again is the main purpose of the C25, even though it will be able to carry a full-sized action camera such as the GoPro 8, I don't recommend it, as you are going to experience extremely short flight times of about 1.5 minutes, so I highly recommend to use it with a naked GoPro camera, which should provide you with about 3.5 minutes of flight time. I'm going to wrap up this video with some flight footage, and I apologize for not being able to provide you with a full review, but of course, if you have any questions about this drone, feel free to ask them in the comments section down below, and I'll do my best to help you out. I hope you will enjoy the rest of this video, and see you soon on my next videos. Goodbye.